Welcome back. So today we're going to be installing the Pro Scale lights on the Bronco. This thing we picked up for $100. And also we're going to be installing the rock lights, which you could pick it up for $22. You can buy the Bluetooth link to connect to your phone. That way you can control it from the phone. For now, we're just going to install it the way it is. So got front lights, tail lights. So here's everything that's in the box. So first we're going to be attaching this right here. That way we could put the power module over here. So okay, so now we're going to run the wire to the receiver. Now we're going to lift this guy up, that way we could run it underneath the battery tray. So just 2 screws. And then we're going to run it underneath it. You just want to be careful when you run the wire underneath, you don't squish them by the battery tray. Just going to run it like that. Put this back. So now we're going to flip it around. Okay, now we have to run it in through here underneath it, and then so we could plug it into the receiver. So this can be kind of a tricky part. Okay, there we go. So plug it in right there. When you reinstall this thing, just put some grease right here. Okay, next we're going to install the power for the unit, so we have to take these connectors off. So just flip it around. So we connected this. Now we got to take the power wire. Okay, so now we have to take the headlights, the tail lights out. So first we got to take this bracket and then pull them off. You have to watch out for that corner. That corner, oh, I thought I was gonna break something, but so basically there's a white cover right here. We have to pull this back piece off, take the white cover off, and then put the headlight piece like that. So take this piece off. Piece right here. Okay, so we got one done. So now you do for this side, and then you do the tail lights the same way. So we got the tail light out, and so when you take it out, quite a bit of pieces here. So right here, you want to put one of these black bars, that way the light doesn't come through. So Just want to put it right there. Okay, so we just attached all the wires. Got the bracket. Okay. So here we go. We get the car on. So this is just the daytime running lights. Now this is the low beams. So here's tail lights and church signals. So you could turn the turn signals off. I'll probably drive without them. So that's low beam. Now this is high beam. Whew. It's pretty bright. So when you drive and you brake, the lights light up. And then when you reverse lights light up. So pretty cool. Daytime running, low beam, and high beam. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the rock lights for the wheels. You already have these covers right here. So there's 2 per wheel. You should take them off and then you just screw them in. So you want to just start from here and then just kind of work your way around. So there is different ways to connect it. You could connect it to the receiver. And I believe there's like 2 ways you connect here. You can connect one of these numbers or the aux.
Few moments later.
Okay, so we got all the rock lights put in. Just kind of put zip ties around here. You don't want to make it too tight because you do want to have some play in the wires. That way when the car's flexing, you're not pulling any wires. So once the battery's plugged in, the lights are on. If you do get a Bluetooth link, you could plug in one of these and then you could just turn it on and off on the app. So right now it is pretty dark. I mean, the lights are still pretty good. It's better than having no lights. They're pretty bright. I think the only thing I would add probably more is probably get a roof rack and add a light bar just to make it a little bit brighter. But it's cool to have, you know, the brake lights working, the reverse lights. Overall, pretty cool kit. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe down below and I'll see you guys next time.